Why do scientists say that if humans are alone in the universe, it's terrifying? So far, the number of exoplanets discovered has exceeded 5,000. Many are super-Earths or second Earths. However, neither the Hubble nor the Webb telescope has been able to detect any signs of life on these planets. From the old Arecibo telescope to today's Chinese Fast Radio telescope, scanning the entire sky, no alien civilization signals have been received. It seems that in the entire universe, or at least the Milky Way, human civilization is the only civilization, and Earth is the only planet with life. However, astronomers know well that Earth's development of life and civilization is purely due to probability. It's just a coincidence of Earth, the Sun, and various parameters. Since it's a coincidence, with 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe, each galaxy having at least 100 billion stars, the number of alien civilizations should exceed Earth's current population, not the silence we observe. Musk once said that if humans are alone in the universe, it would be terrifying, because if a fish finds itself living in pure water, it means it's a pet fish in a tank. Behind the cosmic silence human civilization faces, advanced alien civilizations might be interfering. On Earth today, there are many isolated islands with indigenous people in primitive societies. Scientists don't interfere with their existence. They just observe from afar and designate these islands as nature reserves. If an advanced alien civilization accidentally discovered low-tech human civilization, theoretically they could shield the solar system from outside contact, making human civilization an observation sample until we're capable of leaving the 1 light-year radius solar system. However, Voyager 1 has been flying for nearly half a century, and it would take about 30,000 more years to exit the solar system. So currently, whether the solar system is a low-tech civilization preserve or not, we can't leave the solar system anytime soon. We can't even explore freely within the solar system. Currently, the most promising exoplanet exploration is still Hawking's breakthrough Starshot project. He planned to launch light sail probes, accelerated by powerful Earth lasers and sunlight, reaching 20% of light speed, or 60,000 kilometers per second. This way, in just over 20 years, it could reach Proxima Centauri, 4.2 light-years away. Photos taken and data collected could be transmitted back to Earth at light speed via radio waves. This way, from launch to final decoding, in less than 30 years, we could see with our own eyes another stellar world in the universe. Unfortunately, after Hawking's death, his Russian billionaire collaborator also disappeared. The entire breakthrough Starshot project, besides the initial PowerPoint presentations, has made no new progress. However, light sail propulsion technology has many current experiments, but due to their small size, speeds won't be very fast. Theoretically, only light sails covering hundreds of square kilometers, or even larger, can use weak light pressure to accelerate to high speeds, even near light speed. Back to the original question. If we truly are alone in the universe, then everything that might happen in the future will have no reference point. Human civilization can only advance alone in the universe, not knowing what dangers lie ahead, or when the great filter might arrive.